Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
你可变个小人了。You can see something sweet.
I can?
Yeah. It's a weed.
This is the Sidai Hospital here, and that is lab or lab 4th floor. You can see there is this glass chamber. This is our conference room. And here is today there is snowfall. Today there is a snowfall around. It is started at the 4 a.m. in the morning, and it is still snowing. We called here Uki. We called Uki. Here we are. So you can see this is the already snowfall is there. You can feel in my hand. You can see my hand. You can do it here. A lot of I never seen this type of weather in India. So here you can see. Okay, and this you can see there everything is covered by the snow. Everything is covered. Whatever it is open, it is covered by the snow. Okay. Okay. Bye. See my video and enjoy. Bye. I'm calling you from Tokyo. This time I am in Tokyo.